Nadagdag ang Canadian 90s band na The Muffets sa listahan ng mga foreign artists na nag-perform sa nag-iisang roving music hub sa bansa, ang Wish 1075 Bus. Mistulang mini concert ang performance ng sikat na banda dahil sa pagdagsa ng kanilang mga fans. Naritong report ni Mirasol Abogadia.
With the Houston tribute artist Belinda Davids. American reggae pop band Big Mountain.
Ooh, baby, I love your way every day.
At Jamaican reggae group Inner Circle. Ilan lamang ang mga ito sa foreign artists na nag-perform noong nakaraang taon sa nag-iisang FM radio station on wheels sa bansa, ang Wish 1075 Bus. At sa pagpasok ng 2017, ilang bigating international performers pa ang sumampa sa Wish Bus. Kabilang narito ang Grammy-winning artist na si Dan Hill.
And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide.
At ang multi-platinum award-winning performer at composer na si David Pomeranz.
On this day, I promise forever.
Kahapon naman, dinumog ng fans ang Canadian pop rock band na The Muffets na nag-perform sa Eastwood Central Plaza sakay ng Wish Bus. Bago ang February 18 farewell tour concert sa Smart Araneta Coliseum, nagmistulang nagkaroon muna ng mini concert ang banda na guest performer sa Wish program na The Roadshow dahil sa dami ng fans na nanood. Inawit ng grupo ang tatlo sa kanilang pinakasikat na kanta, ang Miss You Like Crazy, I'll Be There For You, at Girl of My Dreams.
You are the girl of my dreams, my heart beats. I miss you like crazy, even more than words can say. I miss you like crazy, every minute of every day. I'll be there for you when you need somebody. I'll be there for you when you want someone who cares. When you're down.
Narinig ko po sa may radio station ng Wish 107.5 na bus na live nga po daw po yung The Muffets. Kaya narinig ko po, hindi na po ako nagdalawang isip na pumunta dito.
Life is so short, girl of my dreams, love. Always in my heart, favorite ko. True friends din sa Facebook, tsaka kay Daddy Frank, tsaka dito sa friend ko si Donna.
Bakas naman sa mukha ng Muffets Brothers ang pag-enjoy habang nagtatanghal sa loob ng Wish Bus.
Trip, it was fantastic. You know, with a great little drive and performance. It was really great. I mean, we really had a lot of fun, and the people came out and watched and supported it.
The Wish Bus trip was really wonderful today.
Dumating ang The Muffets sa Pilipinas noong nakaraang linggo. Ayon sa magkakapatid, masarap sa pakiramdam ang muling makabisita sa bansa dahil sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Pilipino.
Definitely the best part about being here is seeing the fans. I mean, they're amazing people. They're all smiles. They're so positive. We've been doing a lot of promo, a lot of interviews and stuff like that, but we've tried to get as much in as we can as far as like seeing the city and things like that, because we just haven't been able to do that in the past.
It's been great. We've been doing lots of stuff, seeing lots of Manila.
Ang Wish 1075 bus ay gumagamit ng mga makabagong audio at video facilities, kung kaya nabibigyan ng one-of-a-kind musical road trip ang mga local at international artists na sakay nito. Habang ang mga impromptu spectators naman ay nagkakaroon ng pagkakataong makapanood ng isang live mini-concert ng libre. Mirasol Abogadil, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.